see the way I'm working that bait. I mean, it isn't anything really aggressive. It's just a slow, steady move. I mean, there's times when I'll just slowly crank it along, but pretty much, I call it cruising because that bait cruises. You know, you hit it and then it flows. You hit it and then it flows, and it just cruises its way back to the boat. Other than a few, you know, the hits today have not been crazy. You know, they don't freight train it. Every once in a while, you'll bring it over a fish and it'll kind of hammer it. But a lot of times, you know, the hits, they just kind of come behind it and push that bait, inhale it. It's just an easy meal. Fish don't think out situations. Fish just react to the situation they're in. They don't say, I think I'm gonna eat. Oh, here comes a bait. Maybe it's num-num time. No, there's none of that. It's not an easy world that these fish live in. And when an easy opportunity flies past them, they can't pass it up. And that's exactly what cruising this little bad boy is all about. Oh, ate it, big one, giant. There's a battle going down. And I do love the battle. Relax. Easy now. What we have here is failure to say no to the cruising crosstail. They cannot deny the power of this tasty little morsel. Everything wants to eat it. Just like this. Oh. It has been nice dueling with you, my friend. And a mighty duel it has been. We all know how it would end. With misery for the silly small jaw.